Alright, so you're welcome to another video on the channel. In this video, we are going to be learning how to show badges on the app icons on the taskbar. Now, if you look at my Chrome, you can see a little snippet of icon right there showing the image of my profile. Now, you can actually show badges on all of your icons, or you can choose to disable badges, and here is how to go about it. Now, if you click on an empty space on the taskbar, that takes you to the taskbar settings, and then on the taskbar personalization, you can look down to task behaviors, and you can click to show badges. As soon as you untick this, you can see that the badge icon is gone, it's no more there. If you click on it again, it comes back. So icons that are eligible for such badges will be a badge if you have this on. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.